Soldier, Big Drake. Why you play me, dog? I got something. Oh, snappity snap. What did I get hit? We moving up in the world, mama. We moving up. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, the good folks at Aporro. Is it Apparel? It don't matter. They sent it to me, man. What we got? Ooh, that box. Good quality of that box. With the diamond cleaner, though? Okay, hold on. Uh-oh, they done gave me the packy pack. The Pacquiao. What's in the Pacquiao, though? Hold up. Hold up. Oh, no. They hit me with the Oh, no. Oh, no, hold up. Ooh, they got the 5mm. Blinded. They gave me the 5mm white gold tennis necklace and bracelet to match? Oh, no. I know they ain't give me the... I know they ain't also... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Well, would you look at God? Look at the quality, the size, the glimmer on this joint. Oh, look at they dancing though. They dancing. Shout out to Apparel brand, man. Ooh. Diamonds on my neck, stay drip. Ooh, let me get the necklace on too. Complete the drip. Oh, God. Well, you gotta unbutton it one time. Let them know you really coming with it. Ooh. Hold on, let me take this off. I can't even really see the dripness. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh. Let me put the polo zip on. These niggas ain't ready. Let me put the polo zip on. Keep it real modest with it. Ooh. Yeah, now I can really see. Yeah. Ooh. I ain't never had nothing like this, mama. I swear to God. Hold up. Isn't Aporro the same brand that worked with Soulja Boy? I'm finna get that big Draco feature. Hold up. Yo, Big Draco. Yeah. You might have known me. Name's Screwface Young.
I had the biggest comeback.
I actually just got a deal with Aporro Jewelry, and I know you work with them. And I'm extra drippy right now. I was just wondering maybe, you know what I mean, we can get together, two drippy niggas connect, and we could do something together. You know what I mean? What you think?
Whatever, nigga. I'm the reason y'all doing this. Yeah.
But
I'm the reason why all these artists have social media. Y'all should thank me. Every artist in the game, all y'all record labels, y'all owe me 5%, bro.
All right. Soldier, Big Drake. Why you play me, dog? I got something.
The hit Brainiac. The hit Brainiac.
Shout out to Apparel Company for keeping me super drippy, super icy. Hey, yo, Big Draco, you had to get it. Listen. First off, you whack-ass rappers is getting murked off. You fuck with me, get cut across the cheek like you murk dog. Now big shout out to Murk Dog, we got hits on the way. Now the sticks in your face, cause my niggas pull up quick with the drag. I spit in your face, the chopper get you lifted away. My dick in your bay, bet you lick it and give it a taste. Now I'm so icy like I'm Gucci, man. Leave them blue like they Tukey fam. That Thule blaming, now that man stretched out like it's Gucci band. Your rhymes are super dookie, man. Sell fake shit to use your fans. And Breezy wanna shoot your van, cause you still a Karuchi fan. That shit hurts, but life is a bitch. That's how that bitch works. That chopper kick first and break the glass like it's Squidward. Long nose, Squidward, big hawk, big bird. Yeah, I'm a grouch like Oscar, but you acting like a bitch first. After that, you gon' have no life like Shaq, no Vlad. But I'm about to Soulja Boy challenge on his ass. I was up in the studio with niggas making raps, then bow, the door was kicked. Niggas was coming from the back. I cracked the door tight fast and they ain't see me with the strap. I pulled up, bop, bop, he shot a nigga in the ass. Gasp, I did him bad, then I pulled off his mask and bop, bop, bop. Shot him 3 more times and laughed. Shit is sad, cause I actually knew the nigga in the past. But that don't matter when Big Draco got that gear, I know the world gon' feel this shit. Fangs cover your son's ears when he hear this shit. Now play this shit, that sniff got him wear this shit. And we ain't Gucci, little nigga, cause you wear that shit. Look, you can come and
we interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Drake? Drake?
is with a 16, I rip teams. That means I am focused like if beams, and you can't even ride for yourself. What you 15, soldier? I ain't do this to hurt you, little girl. Just tell Apparel that this the best commercial in the world that says soldier. I ain't trying to hurt you, little girl. Just tell Apparel that this the best commercial in the world. Pick your face. Apparel got me iced out. You think they gonna get mad at this? You think they gonna get mad? Apparel brand, nigga. Aw, man. Apparel.